Hi, I'm me, Elfverson, and I'm the founder of the Vlog Academy, and I'm also the creator of iStorm, the online visibility program for passionate businesswomen who want to create their own videos and be seen as the go-to expert in their field. I started working in high-end film and television production over 25 years ago, and I've been working as a video producer and a coach for the last 10 years. So what I've now done is that I've taken all my experience and knowledge and put it into an online program to teach you how to attract more clients and prosper from your passion by using videos. Video is the most powerful marketing tool you can have, and it's just a new way of communicating. You probably see a lot of successful business women using video on social media. Confident and sparkling, sharing their expertise as if they were born to do it. Who are they? Are they different from you? Do they know some sort of a secret you haven't cracked yet? Or were they just born to be seen and heard? Of course not. They're normal human beings just like you and I. So how do they do it? Well, successful businesswomen have 3 things in place. And this is no secret, and it's nothing to do with the size of their film crew at all. They simply have clarity on their goal, they have confidence in their message, and they take action. And this is why the 3 pillars of iStorm are clarity, confidence, and action. So let's put a visibility plan in place for you so you get clear on what you need to do to reach your audience. Let's give you some basic technical skills and camera confidence so you can create your own videos very simply on your smartphone, sharing your expertise from your home or your workspace. And instead of being scared of social media, let's draw on its power to make you seen. And then let's make you take action. You might not feel ready to go in front of the camera just yet to share your expertise, but if you're just ready to get going, iStorm is here to support you. Together with some top industry experts, I'm going to show you how your knowledge and experience can lift you to the next level where you belong. I really hope to see you in the group of amazing women where we will support you and give you feedback on your visual content and encourage you to keep going so you can go out there and claim your space with a strong and confident voice. Have a look at the full content of the iStorm program and let's make things happen.